Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make popcorn. First, you keep popcorn in a big container, 3 or 2 spoons. Then you have 1 teaspoon of oil and then keep it in small drops. And then you take only a little bit of salt. Oh, dang it. This much salt and just pour it everywhere. Then at last, you just keep one big plate on top of it, and then let me just start this, and then you store it in. Just a second. Keep it in. Can you see? First, you keep this in. Then, on top of it, you keep it like this. Then I close it. And then I just press the button over here. And it's baking now. And that's how you make a popcorn. Bye.